If you want to use a Telegram proxy on your computer, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. A proxy can help you connect more reliably, improve privacy, or access Telegram in restricted networks. And the good news is that Telegram Desktop makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram Desktop app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is where Telegram keeps the app settings and connection options, so this is the first place we need to go. From the menu, click Settings. After that, find and select Advanced. In the Advanced section, Telegram gives you access to more technical options, including connection settings, which is exactly what we need for proxy setup. Now click on Connection Type. This is the part of Telegram that controls how the app connects to the internet. By default, Telegram will usually connect normally, but if you want to use a proxy, you need to switch this setting manually. Here, choose Use Custom Proxy. Once you select that option, click Add Proxy. Telegram will now give you the proxy configuration fields where you can enter the details from your proxy provider. Next, choose your proxy type. Telegram usually supports a SOCKS 5, HTTP, or MTProto, depending on the type of proxy you have. If your proxy provider gave you a specific format, make sure you select the matching option so the connection works correctly. Now you need to enter the server information. Type in the server, which is usually the IP address or hostname, and then enter the port number. These details tell Telegram where to connect. If your proxy requires extra authentication, fill in any additional details such as a secret, username, or password. This depends on the proxy type you selected and the provider you are using. For MTProto, the secret is especially important, while SOCKS 5 or HTTP proxies may require login credentials instead. Before continuing, double-check everything carefully. A small typo in the server address or port can prevent the proxy from working, so it's worth taking a moment to verify the details. If possible, compare your settings with the information provided by your proxy service. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Connect. Telegram will try to connect using the proxy settings you entered. If the setup is successful, your app should reconnect through the proxy and begin working normally through that connection. If the connection does not work right away, go back and recheck the proxy type, server, port, and any secret or login information. In most cases, one of those fields needs to be corrected. After that, try connecting again, and that's it. You now know how to set up a Telegram proxy in Telegram Desktop. It only takes a few minutes once you know the steps, and it can make a big difference depending on your network or privacy needs. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.